In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the search icon on Shopify. To get started, sign into your Shopify admin. You will be working inside your theme files, so it is a good idea to take a moment to confirm you are editing the active theme. This helps you avoid making changes to a theme that is not currently published. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store, then open Themes. Here you will see your current theme at the top. Next to that active theme, click the three dots menu. This opens a small list of actions you can take. Choose Edit Code. This takes you into the Theme Code Editor, where Shopify lets you view and modify the files that control your storefront design. Once you are in the Code Editor, look to the left panel where all the theme files are listed. At the top of that panel, there is a search box that helps you find specific files quickly. Click into that search box and type base.css. Many modern Shopify themes use base.css for core styling. If you are using an older theme and you do not see base.css, then search for theme.css instead. When the correct file appears in the results, click it to open it in the main editor window. Now that the CSS file is open, scroll all the way to the very bottom of the file. Scrolling to the bottom is important because you will be pasting a snippet of CSS code at the end, where it is easy to find later and less likely to interfere with existing styles higher up in the file. Click at the very end of the last line so your cursor is placed at the bottom, and then paste the code provided in your instructions. As a quick tip, make sure you paste the code exactly as it is, including any brackets or punctuation, because CSS is sensitive to small formatting errors. After you paste it, save your changes using the Save button in the editor. Give Shopify a moment to apply the update. Then refresh your storefront to confirm the search icon is now hidden, and that is all there is to it.